How to recover deleted Telegram messages. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, launch the Telegram application on your device and make sure you're logged into your account. Now tap on your hamburger icon at the top left corner of the screen and then select on settings. As you tap on settings, scroll down and tap on the option of data storage. So here, what you simply need to do is you need to save all these options over here, like your saving to gallery for your private chats or groups and channels, and automatic media download when using mobile data connected to Wi-Fi and when roaming. Now, as you tap on storage usage, you can see all the cached media, maximum cache size, and so on. So what you simply need to do is and understand is that Telegram generally backs up all your data, all your chats, messages in the cloud format. So you can just go back and here you can see all the cloud drafts. So you can delete all cloud drafts if it's possible. If not, and if you want to just recover them, you can get it on your cloud drafts, or you can also check it out through the email that you have associated on your Google account. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. See you next time.